Welcome to this presentation on how to write from topic to A+ paper, full research paper. Writing Guide, 2025 edition. You can visit our website by clicking on link provided in comment sections or chat with us on WhatsApp on clicking link to get best expert help. You will find how to write this question in this video. Kindly subscribe us to and message us on.
Choosing a great topic is the foundation of an A+ research paper. Start with an area you're genuinely interested in. Passion leads to deeper research and more engaging writing. Ensure that the topic has enough academic material available. Use Google Scholar, JSTOR, or your library database to confirm. Broad topics like climate change are too wide. Narrow them down to a specific issue, like the impact of climate change on coral reefs in Southeast Asia. This makes your paper more focused and manageable. Also, try to connect your topic to current trends or academic debates to demonstrate its relevance. Professors appreciate papers that contribute to ongoing conversations in the field. Once finalized, form a working title or research question that guides the rest of your paper. This clarity will help you stay on track throughout your research and writing. Need help in this assignment? Visit our website or chat us on WhatsApp link given in comment sections. An organized plan saves time and improves quality. Start by dividing the entire process into phases: topic selection, research, drafting, editing, and referencing. Assign a deadline to each phase to ensure you're not rushing at the end. A solid outline is your blueprint. For example, begin with an introduction, followed by literature review, methodology, analysis, discussion, and conclusion. Under each heading, jot down key points or subsections you want to cover. This structure will help maintain flow and coherence. Digital tools like Trello, Notion, or even simple checklists can help you stay accountable and track your progress. The key is to treat the paper like a mini project, with goals, tasks, and timelines. A clear plan ensures you work efficiently and keep your writing focused and on point. Good research is the heart of an A+ paper. Use academic databases such as JSTOR, PubMed, ScienceDirect, or Google Scholar. Aim to find peer-reviewed journal articles, books, and credible government or institutional reports. Always check the source date and whether it's widely cited in the field. Organize your notes using tools like Zotero, Mendeley, or even a color-coded Google Doc. Capture key quotes and ideas with proper citations as you go. This prevents plagiarism and saves time later. Don't build your entire argument around one or two sources. Diversify your materials to provide a balanced and comprehensive perspective. Synthesizing various viewpoints shows critical thinking and strengthens your arguments. High-quality sources will not only improve your content, but also your final grade. Your introduction sets the tone. Start with a hook, a statistic quote, or a surprising fact that grabs attention. Then briefly explain the context and background of your research problem, so the reader understands why it's important. End the paragraph with a strong, specific thesis statement that outlines your main argument or research question. For example, this paper argues that social media algorithms significantly influence voter behavior among young adults in the U.S. A well-written thesis gives your paper direction. Finally, include a sentence that previews what sections or arguments the paper will explore. This roadmap helps readers follow your logic. Remember, clarity and flow in the introduction will leave a strong first impression and set expectations for a high-quality academic paper. Each body paragraph should serve a specific purpose. Begin with a topic sentence that clearly states what the paragraph is about. Follow it up with strong evidence from your research. This could be data, quotes, or case studies. But don't just present the evidence, analyze it. Explain how it supports your thesis and why it's relevant. This shows critical thinking. Use transitions between paragraphs to keep the paper flowing smoothly. For example, phrases like, in addition, however, or consequently, guide the reader. Stick to one idea per paragraph to keep things clear and focused. A well-structured body ensures your arguments are compelling and easy to follow. This is where your paper earns most of its marks, so take the time to polish and refine each section. Your conclusion is your final chance to impress. Don't introduce new ideas here. Instead, summarize your main findings and restate your thesis in light of the evidence. This reinforces your argument. Then, double-check that the entire paper follows the required formatting style, APA, MLA, Harvard, etc., especially your in-text citations and reference list. Use tools like Grammarly or ChatGPT to help with grammar and readability checks. But don't stop there. Proofread it yourself and, if possible, get feedback from a peer, tutor, or supervisor. They may catch mistakes or offer insights that improve your work. A polished, well-edited paper reflects professionalism and effort, both of which contribute to a top grade. Remember, the last 10% of effort can often be the difference between a B and an A+.